How to use Incognito Mode on Safari iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Incognito Mode on Safari on your iPhone, also known as private browsing. First, open Safari. Tap the three-dot menu at the bottom, then select New Private Tab. You are now in private browsing mode, and you can browse the web privately. If you don't see the New Private Tab option, it may be restricted by screen time. To check this, open Settings and tap Screen Time, and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then select App Store, Media, Web and Games, and tap Web Content. Make sure Unrestricted is selected. If restrictions were set by someone else, you may need to ask them to change this setting. That's how you can use Incognito Mode or private browsing in Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.